So here we have a little simple project knocked up in about 10 minutes using an Arduino Uno, an LED and a mini breadboard, and a load of wire, and this nice big button. So basically right now the Arduino is running the blink sketch, which is making the LED blink. The wires for ground go into this button and then go out of the button to the breadboard. And this button is an emergency stop button, so as soon as I press that button the light should turn off. So let's try it. Wait till it's on. Dead. So let's turn the power off. As you can see from the arrows on here, we can reset it, so I'll just twist it. There we go. And again. Dead. Back on. And this nice emergency stop button was from, I think, Amazon for less than £5. Cheers.